Today on vegan.com we're showing you how to make our all-time favorite vegan dressing made from 1/4 cup tahini, 1/4 cup water, the juice of 1/2 of a lemon, 2 cloves of finely minced garlic, and finally 1 pinch of salt. And there you have it! Delicious tahini dressing that can be used on salads, falafels, and hummus. Now's the fun part, just add whatever you want to your salad. Here I'm adding some tomatoes, some finely chopped broccoli, and of course some carrots. Now just give your salad a big toss and enjoy it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and find more salad tips at vegan.com/salad. Thanks for watching! Bye!